Congratulations into making it this far. Now you guys have to do the next step, which is get certified. It is something that I would suggest and advise on doing. Sometimes certifications replace a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. Like if they see that you're certified and you have a couple years experience, sometimes that's all companies want, and it basically just validates your skills. So there are a lot of certifications that are for all the different types of testing. So once you know which one you like and you'd like to pursue, then you go for that certification. Let's start with some of the most famous ones, I would say, or the most known, which is ISTQB, the International Software Testing Qualifications Board. This is one of the most widely used and asked for type of certifications out there, especially the CTFL, that is Certified Tester Foundation Level. This is one of the most common ones, and sometimes they ask for testers to have at least this one to start in testing. And then we have the advanced level, advanced technical analyst, and the test manager if you want to be a manager. The same place, ISTQB, they also give you, they have a new AI testing now. They have security testing, usability testing, and some more. So let me show you an example of some of the certifications they offer. When you go to their page, here's the core foundation, and you'll see all the foundation certifications there. If you go to core advanced, it'll show you the more advanced certifications right there. You go to specialist, this is where you get your agile technical tester. This is where you get your AI testing certification, mobile testing, automation tester, automation engineer. So they're more specialized. And if you go to your expert level, that's where you get certified tester, expert level assessing test processes, and the expert level implementing test process improvements. So that's for managers and leads. So very good website. Many of the employers out there will pay for you to get these if you let them know. Okay, so if you have a job right now, consult with your manager and ask them about training opportunities. The 2 certifications that I've gotten from here were paid for by my employer. Okay, next, let's see, we have some. Here's your security certifications, ethical hacker, junior penetration tester. These are a little bit more advanced. All of these are links, by the way. I'm just going to click on one to show you that it goes straight to the page where you get more information and how to get the certifications. Specialized role, for example, certified agile tester, the automation engineer. Some of these go back to the ISTQB page. I just wanted to put them under a specialized role section. The mobile application one also goes to the ISTQB page. These ones are the accessibility certifications. They go to the IAAP page. Okay, so they have their own place where they get certified. We got the CPACC and the WAS, which are the most common ones. Accessible document specialist, certified professional in accessible build environments. We have these extra 2 ones. Obviously, this document specialist, you'll probably learn how to make a lot of contracts, PDFs, and things in text that should be accessible. And here are some bonus platform skill badges. For example, Coursera, Coursera.org. A lot of these are not .com. This is where you can just learn, and they give you the little completion certificate. Same as Udemy, where you're at right now. I don't know if you'll get a certification when you complete my course or not, but always good to have, right? These are things that you can add to your LinkedIn profile, and people will see that you're skilled. Pluralsight is also a good one. I have not used this one, but I've heard good things about it. Also gives you here AI, data, software dev, cloud. You can learn a lot of things on this site. Edureka, so this is edureka.co. I think this is a company based in India, but I learned so much on this site. I actually got my Selenium certificate here, my performance testing certificate I got from here. They also have good courses on APM testing for mobile. So really good website. Obviously half the price as most of the American companies. So that is idurica.co. And of course you got your Microsoft. You get your credentials right here, Microsoft certifications from the actual Microsoft page. AWS certs, you have to go straight to the Amazon certification page for that. But all these links are saved here in this PDF. So good luck, and I wish you the best on your journey. Remember to reach out to me on LinkedIn if you have any questions.